morning, students. Saturday online class. Already we had done some exercises, activities are given to you. I hope you had completed that exercise and activity also, but nobody yet sent me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, it's okay. I don't want to waste your and my timing. I want to teach you the grammar section. Okay, in the grammar section, simple present tense and present continuous tense today I'm going to teach you. Okay students, simple present tense, as it is a name simple, it's very simple, but don't you think that present for continuous tense is very hard? No, it's not hard. At this moment, fourth standard students only have to understand how to make the sentences like that one. Then the next, when you will go in the fifth standard, you will get more than this one. Okay, let's see simple present tense. What is in the simple present tense? Simple present tense, let's see here. If you will see here, formula is given there. What is the formula? Subject, verb, verb को s नहीं तो es will be there, and after that one object will be there. Okay, example, let's see here. Example, I eat a mango. The next example is there, he writes a letter. If you will see these two examples, you will see this eat and this writes both are verbs. In this one, eat don't have s, means this s which यहाँ पे नहीं है. In this one, writes you can see here this s is there. If you will get any sentences, what you have to see, verb है and then write verb को s नहीं तो es लगाया है. That definitely which type tense will be there? That definitely simple present tense will be there. Now let's see the next one, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense formula. What formula? Subject am, is, are plus verb plus ing and plus object will be there. Example, I am eating a mango. He is writing a letter. Here am only I. When there will be I pronoun at that moment only we are using this am. But he, she, it will be there. That time we will use is, and we, you and they will be there. That time we will use are. Here I have not written, but orally I am telling you. If you will see there, subject is there. This is the to be, and this is the verb. Verb here you will see this ing form is there. Here also ing is there. Means in a sentence a verb has ing, then definitely it will become present continuous tense. Which tense, students? Present continuous tense. If in the sentence verb has ing, then definitely it will become present continuous tense. And if the verb has only verb or es, then definitely it will become simple present tense. Okay, the exercise is given there. Now we will solve that exercise which is given in your textbook, and you also have to complete this one in your textbook only, not in your notebook. You have to do this exercise. You have to write the answers in your textbook only. Understand? Let's see the textbook exercise. Now see the exercise. B exercise is there. Read the sentence below. Write a simple present or present continuous. Each one has given or done for you. Now see here, students, the sentence. I am doing my homework. Already it's done. here they had written the answer present continuous tense. Why the answer is present continuous tense? Because here if you will see ing is there. Okay, now see the next sentence. Here she works as a receptionist. Here verb, if you will see which verb is there, works. Very good, s is there. So what the answer will be there? Very good, simple present tense. Now let's see the third. He is staying with his parents at the moment. Here staying, staying is the verb, ing is there. Which then? Very good, present continuous tense. Very good. Now the fourth one, see here. I always get up at 6 o'clock. Here ing is there? No. So what will be the answer? Simple present tense. Good. Now let's see the fifth one. He is busy at the moment. And again next sentence is there. He is talking to a friend. Now here you will see in the first sentence is है और busy भी है. Okay. उसके बाद में here in the next sentence is talking. So here he is not doing anything, but in the second sentence the acting is going on, that is the talking. So answer will be there. What? ing is there. So what answer will be there? Very good. Present continuous tense. Now sixth one. I am sorry, but I don't understand what you mean. Here ing is there? No. Then what answer will be there? Yes, good. It's a simple present tense. Now seventh. You eat too much fast food. Now see, present continuous में हमेशा ing होता है. Here ing है क्या? देखो, वर्ब को ing दिख रहा है क्या? It है. Very good. उसमें ing नहीं है, मतलब आंसर क्या होगा? क्या होगा? Very good. Simple present tense. 8. Which TV channel do you usually watch? ing है क्या? देखो, नहीं है, तो फिर क्या आंसर होगा? Very good. Simple present tense. Now next. What time does the train arrive? Very good. ing नहीं है, नहीं है आंसर. Very good. Simple present tense. Now 10 में देखो, नहीं है ing, देखो नहीं है, क्या होगा? Simple present tense. Very good. 11 देखो, अच्छे से देखो, ing पे वेरी गुड. डूइंग है, मतलब क्या होगा आंसर? वेरी गुड, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. नाउ लेट्स नेक्स्ट वन. ing देखो है क्या? नहीं है, नहीं है आंसर क्या होगा? वेरी गुड, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. So I think student you get a simple present tense and present continuous tense. Now see here in the last of this video I will give you homework at this moment. Now the next section I want to teach you, that is the conjunction. Conjunction. If you will see what is the definition of conjunction. Joining words are also known as conjunction. तो conjunction क्या होता है? Joining word होता है. कौन से हो सकते? Very good. If you will see here the sentence, master gave him bread and this and is a conjunction. Very good. Then in the next sentence, or is a conjunction. If you will see here, and now let's see here. And, but, और, ये जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं ये क्या है? कंजंक्शंस है. लेकिन इसमें भी कुछ ना कुछ ये रहता है कैसे यूज़ करना है. जैसे कि हम कोई भी दो चीज़ें लाते हैं. अभी जैसे कि मैं मार्केट में गई थी एंड मार्केट में से मैंने समझो टमाटर भी लाए हैं और पोटैटो भी लाए हैं, तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी, आई ब्रॉट टमेटोज एंड पोटैटोज फ्रॉम मार्केट. ओके, लेकिन अगर समझो मेरा बेटे को चॉकलेट चाहिए नहीं तो आइसक्रीम चाहिए, व्हाट ही विल टेल मी, हाँ मम्मी ब्रिंग आइसक्रीम और चॉकलेट फॉर मी. ओके, अगर मैं मार्केट में गई, ओके मार्केट में गई लेकिन मुझे वहाँ पे ना चॉकलेट भी मिली ना आइसक्रीम भी मिला, तो मैं उसको आंसर क्या दूंगी, आई वेंट इन द मार्केट बट आई डिडंट गेट एनीथिंग. I went in the market but I didn't get anything. मतलब मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला. Here if you will see two things are there. दो चीज़ें होती है, एक तो मैं मार्केट में गई थी, दूसरा मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं था, लेकिन निगेटिव है इसलिए मैंने क्या यूज़ किया, बट यूज़ किया. जब दोनों चीज़ें हैं, एक तो मुझे कॉफ़ी चॉकलेट चाहिए नहीं तो आइसक्रीम चाहिए, तो मैंने क्या यूज़ किया, और किया. और जो दो चीज़ें मैंने मार्केट से लाई थी, पोटैटो और टमाटो, तो मैंने क्या यूज़ किया था, एंड यूज़ किया था. इफ़ यू विल सी द एक्सरसाइज, सी एक्सरसाइज इज गिवन हियर. इन दैट वन व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, टिक द सेंटेंसेस इन विच द कंजंक्शन इज यूज्ड करेक्टली. टिक करना है किसको, जिसको मतलब करेक्ट आंसर है उसको. नाउ लेट्स सी. These shoes are very old but they are comfortable. Okay, तो यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें हैं, ओल्ड है, शूज कैसे है, ओल्ड है, और कंफर्टेबल है, और इसमें कंजक्शन कौन सा यूज़ किया है, बट. तो ये सही है क्या, करेक्ट है. क्यों करेक्ट है, यहाँ पे एक निगेटिव मीनिंग आता है, ओल्ड है ये निगेटिव मीनिंग आता है, कंफर्टेबल पॉजिटिव मीनिंग आता है, इसीलिए ये क्या है, करेक्ट है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, I bought some oranges और chocolates yesterday. तो मैंने आपको आंसर पहले ही जब पढ़ाया कंजक्शन तभी मैंने बोला था, मैं मार्केट में गई थी, मार्केट में से दो चीज़ें लाई, पोटैटो है और टमाटो है. यहाँ पे ऑरेंजेस भी लाए हैं, चॉकलेट भी लाया है, तो यहाँ पे और होना चाहिए था का फ्रेंड्स, नहीं, यहाँ पे ऑरेंज सॉरी और जो है वो रॉन्ग है, वहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था, एंड होना चाहिए था. इसीलिए यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में हम टिक करेंगे क्या, नहीं, यहाँ पे हम क्रॉस करेंगे. समझ में आया. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. थर्ड, आई वुड हैव कम आउट टू प्ले विथ यू एंड आई हैव एन एग्जामिनेशन टुडे. अभी देखो खेलना भी है, प्ले लिखा है यहाँ पे, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज देयर इन द सेकंड सेंटेंस, दैट इज द एग्जाम. चीजें हो सकती क्या, दोनों, प्ले भी है और एग्जाम भी है, हो सकते हैं क्या. एंड है यहाँ पे कंजक्शंस, एंड देखो सी सर्कल कर रही हूँ मैं उसको, तो एंड होना चाहिए क्या, नहीं होना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे ये रॉन्ग है. यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था, क्या होना चाहिए था, बट होना चाहिए था. आई वुड हैव कम आउट टू प्ले विथ यू बट आई हैव एन एग्जाम टुडे. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया उन्होंने, एंड यूज किया है, इसलिए ये क्या है, रॉन्ग है. वेरी गुड. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. लीला एंड मीना वेयर ड्रेस्ड इन ग्रीन. लीला भी है और मीना भी है, दोनों है, और यहाँ पे एंड क्या है, कंजक्शन है, इन दोनों को ज्वाइन किया है, दोनों ने ग्रीन कलर का ड्रेस पहना है, तो ये क्या है, करेक्ट आंसर है. क्या है, करेक्ट आंसर है. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. शुड आई गेट यू सम एप्पल जूस और ग्रेप जूस. तो यहाँ पे और कंजक्शन है और दो चीज़ें है, एप्पल जूस है और ग्रेप जूस है. अगर समझो आपके घर में कोई अचानक से मेहमान आ जाता है तो मम्मी पूछती है ठंडा की गरम, पूछती है ना, लाइक दैट वन हियर शी इज आस्किंग एप्पल जूस की ग्रेप जूस. तो इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट वन. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, डी एक्सरसाइज. नीचे है. Okay, here in this one, what they are telling, join these using so or because. Here in these sentences, we have to use so or because. The first sentence, it was raining, full stop, we didn't go outside. रेनिंग है और मुझे बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो क्या यूज होगा? सो यूज होगा. तो आंसर विल बी देयर, इट वॉज रेनिंग सो वी डिड नॉट गो आउट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, सीता वॉज सैड एवरीवन हैड गॉन अवे. आंसर इज देयर, सीता वॉज सैड बिकॉज everyone had gone away. Now the next one, I put on the light, it was very dark. I put on the light because it was very dark. Here Mona bought a half ticket. She is under 12 years old. Here we will do the उल्टा पुल्टा करेंगे. Mona is under 12 years of age, so she bought a half ticket. Okay, understand? The next sentence, the dog ran away, no one gave him food. Here the dog ran away because no one gave him food. I think you got because and so also and or but these conjunctions. Now the next exercise is there which yet we not solved. So I want to tell you that one also. Here they are telling that read these words loud and write one more word with the same vowel sound. Vowel sound hai. Here in the first one you can see APE ep is there, AID ed is there, AIM M is there. So the same vowel sound will be there, rain. In this one you can see rain spelling, RAIN, rain is there, RAIN, rain is there. Okay. Now next, ACT, act is there. Here if you will see A also is there and very good, A only, A is there only, that is the vowel. Here snap, so answer cap will be there. Cap, tap, like that one you can write. Now the next one, step, bet, pet, amity, mate. Hill, feel, peel, scene. Ice, hide, kite, might. Eat, beat, kid, lead, LID, lead will be there. Only, bowl, hole. In this one you can see O and E. O is the main vowel in this one, so hole. Okay. Then the next one, COT, cot, POT, pot, HOT, hot, and LOT, lot. Understand? Use, fuse, introduce, reduce. Up, shut, hub, and tub. Tub, you can write here hut also, cut also, so many are there. Now all these exercises you have to write in your textbook only, not in the notebook. No exercises you have to write in the notebook only. Now I am giving you homework. Now I am giving you homework. That homework only you have to complete in your notebook. Understand? All these textbook exercises you have to solve in your textbook only, not in the notebook. This present tense and this simple present tense, for understanding, I must have to know na you understand or not. So I am giving you 6 sentences in the homework. You have to do that one in your notebook and send me please on your my WhatsApp number. Already it is there. Okay. Otherwise your teacher is there. If teacher is there, she will definitely check. She will definitely check it. Okay. So please complete this homework in a correct time. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, come on.